You are always hearing me say to use clean seed, but what does that even mean, right? In this video, you will learn about clean seed as well as two important terms in the world of grass seed: NTEP seed certification and A-list designation. First, let's talk about why it's important for grass seeds to have 0% weed and 0% crop designated. When grass seed has 0% weed and 0% crop, it means that there are absolutely no unwanted plants or other types of seeds mixed in the grass seeds. This is super important because if there are any weeds or other crops mixed in, they can compete with the grass and make it harder for it to grow. Imagine trying to run a race with someone else constantly in your way. It would slow you down, right? Well, it's the same for grass seeds trying to grow. But when you plant grass seeds with 0% weed and 0% crop, you give them the best chance to grow into healthy, beautiful grass without any unwanted competition. So when you're choosing your grass seed for your lawn or garden, remember to look for the ones that have 0% weed and 0% crop designated on the bag. Now let's talk about NTEP seed certification. NTEP stands for the National Turfgrass Evaluation Program. It's a program that tests and evaluates different types of grass seed to make sure they're top quality. Scientists and experts carefully study the seeds to see how well they grow, how resistant they are to diseases and pests, and how they look once they're fully grown. If a seed passes all of the tests and meets the high standards set by NTEP, it gets certified. This means it's proven to be a great choice for growing healthy, beautiful grass. Now let's move on to A-list designation. When a seed earns this designation, it's like getting a gold star for being extra special. The A-list designation is given to seeds that not only meet the NTEP standards, but also perform exceptionally well in specific regions or climates. This means that if you live in a hot and sunny area, for example, you can get seed within the A-list designation that are known to thrive in those conditions. So when you see the NTEP certification and A-list designation on the bag, you can feel confident that you're getting top quality seed that will surely help your lawn look beautiful. When you are putting so much time, effort, and money into your lawn, you need to make sure you're getting good seed because bad seed can negate all of your hard work and bring you nothing but frustration with weeds. And you don't have to be a fescue person. United Seeds has a large range of seeds to choose from, and many of those seeds are gonna be A-list certified, just like this bag of snapback right here. But if you are a fescue person and you are tired of constantly overseeding, I'm telling you, trust me, this stuff right here, use it for a year, year and a half, 2 years, you won't have to worry about overseeding. At my old place, had not planned to overseed anymore because I had it looking good. Unfortunately, I don't maintain that lawn anymore, but I still highly recommend this seed.